Hey, so today I'll show you how to set reminders in Google Keep step by step in 2026. It's super useful for deadlines, tasks, and daily notifications so you never forget anything important. First, open Google Keep on your phone or browser. You can use it on Android, iPhone, or desktop. Next, yeah, either open an existing note or create a new one. Reminders are always added inside a note. Now, tap the bell or reminder icon. This is where you set your notification alert. Yeah. Select the exact time and date for your reminder. You can set it for later today, tomorrow, or any custom schedule. Now, you can also set location-based reminders. Google Keep can notify you when you reach a place like home or office. Yeah, once you set it, just save it. The reminder is now active and linked to your note. Now, you can see all your reminders in the main screen. They stay pinned until you complete them. Yeah. If you need changes, just open the note and edit or remove the reminder anytime. If reminders aren't showing, check your phone settings and make sure notifications are enabled for Google Keep. So yeah, that's how you set reminders in Google Keep. Once you use it regularly, it becomes super easy to manage your daily tasks. Thanks for watching.